Sometimes we need to make modifications on the PCB or make some repairs. Then, when you finished your modification or repair, make sure you clean your PCB from any flux or other chemicals. And always cover with the new solder mask. It's very important to stop any oxidation or corrosion or even moisture ingress in the PCB. And then use the UV light to cure the solder mask, and your PCB after that is ready and secure, and also looks much better. Thank you for watching and see you next time.